of radionics, psychotronics. Take a rip from the J, cause I've been working all day. And get the pill box and ingest the pill, the one that Morpheus offered to Neo. Drinking water, it's the only thing that comes from the Father. I even talk to it, it has a consciousness. Dr. Emoto will show you a couple photos. You want tragedy? Are you living in Cali? Look up Joe France, you better start building a raft. The tsunami's gonna come rolling down the valley. Now back to addressing everybody. Lyrically I'm nobody, my DNA is straight, not curved because I ain't gay. Man, listen to what I say, chemtrails have particle A. The moon is being pushed away. Harp wave is messing with the tonic plates. You're blaming it on God? You need to stop, think and take action. Never in my life have I taken opiums, but I'm still approached by UFOs. I never slept around with any hoes. New World Order I oppose, the electrical nanocharging. My brain was hardened, can of food was outdated, but they're still selling. 1900s factories have 6-year-olds working vigorously. I have no idea anything. The volcanoes will blow, causing ice ages with hella snow.
Water, air, earth, fire. I direct your attention. Water, air, earth, fire.
Hunting hounds will sniff anything out. Marijuana seeds need to be planted so they can take out the radioactivity. I'm at home drinking tea, trying to get this chemical crap off of me. 1 out of 10 transcripts are filled with knowledge. The glaciers will melt in stealth, killing and overpopulating the insects. I learned this from intelligent intellect, biblical domino scientists. Look up 2030 report, this one ain't gonna be short. I just hit the bong, let's get started. Fishermen are starving cause the fish are dying, and supposedly the temperature is rising.
Water, air, earth, fire. I direct your attention. Water, air, earth, fire.
Moon's being pushed away and you ain't even noticing. Apollo mission, go discover it. Airquakes will knock down airplanes, I already heard of 2. Are you keeping up, fool? I had straight F's all through school. I still graduated, what does that tell you? Operation Paperclip, make society take a dip into the book of Revelation.